Now, even during the holy month of Ramzan, the Jama Masjid in Srinagar remains closed due to the lockdown and the spread of COVID-19. No prayers are being offered in Srinagar's historic mosque. India Today's Ashraf Wani gets us more.
After the coronavirus outbreak, not any movement is visible in the premises of historic Jamia Masjid. Even the gates, 4 gates of this mosque are locked. Not a single prayer is being conducted in the mosque. In fact, after the abrogation of Article 370 on 5th August, this mosque was closed for the Friday prayers but reopened in the month of February. But again in the month of March, mosque was closed for the prayers due to the coronavirus outbreak and lockdown across the country. And if we can say, during the last 8 months, only 4 Friday prayers were conducted in the historic Jamia Masjid of Srinagar. With Rauf Ahmed, Ashraf Wani for India Today in Jamia Mosque, Srinagar.
Now, a couple tied the knot along with 20 of their closest friends and family in Chennai amid the nationwide lockdown. My colleague Akshata Nath brings you more on this.
During this COVID pandemic, what we have been seeing is sad and disappointing news. But what we are bringing to you from Chennai today is a happy news of a wedding. Blesso, Alex and Priyadarshini are a couple who had planned their wedding way before the corona time. But what was saddening is the fact that post-corona, the complete lockdown had raised doubts if the wedding will happen as per schedule or not. Well, today these two people have joined in matrimony as husband and wife, and they are a happy couple today. What were the procedures that you had taken into place before, conducting this wedding?
Already we planned in February month itself. During their engagement ceremony, we decided to do their marriage on May 1st. So we missed lot of relatives. Only we invited our close relatives now, and we conducted.
And how many people participated today?
Only 20 members are participated for this marriage.
One interesting fact that we had to know today is that the young chap here came forward and he made his mother's face mask properly. So the awareness campaign as far as COVID-19 is concerned is very much in place. And this couple tied their knot today with just 20 people present. Well, it is a disappointing fact that they were not able to be there with all their friends and family. But yet, they are happy in the fact that they are able to be a husband and wife on the day that they had decided as before. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Now, with just 2 days left to go for the end of the lockdown 2.0, there is anxiety all around, especially over reviving economic activity. The textile industry particularly, which is the second largest employer in the country, has been quite badly hit, and at stake 45 million jobs. From Surat to Binwadi to Trichy, we bring you special report.
Textile industry is in the doldrums. The second biggest employer after agriculture is hit hard due to the ongoing lockdown. Shutting of factories has forced thousands to start the long march home. Halburam is on Mumbai's Agra highway in Bhiwandi on his way to Varanasi, a journey of 1400 kilometers.
भिवंडी पर आते थे, वहाँ पे खाना जब तक मिला तब तक खाए हैं. उसके बाद जब नहीं मिला तो हम सोचे कि कैसे भी निकल के अपना जाएंगे. अगर कहीं साधन मिलेगा तो साधन से जाएंगे, नहीं मिलेगा तो पैदल जाएंगे.
Ghanshyam is walking to Sonavli on the Indo-Nepal border, nearly 1700 kilometers away.
2 किलो चावल देते थे 8 आदमी के बीच में. कितना दिन चावल चलेगा वो? और दूसरी बात क्या है, सेठ लोग पगार बोल करके भी नहीं दिए. आज देता हूँ, कल देता हूँ, परसों देता हूँ. और दूसरी बात 15 दिन का बोले थे भर के देने के लिए, वो भी नहीं देने के लिए राजी है.
Surat, once a flourishing textile hub, is having a very hard time coping.
लॉकडाउन में नुकसान का अगर देखें तो हर एक इंडस्ट्री को कम से कम 1 करोड़ रुपया महीने का लॉस है, और पूरी हमारी समझो कि सारी 300 इंडस्ट्री है तो उसको 500-600 करोड़ का पूरे महीने का लॉस है. खाली ये टेक्सटाइल प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्री की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
Industry experts feel that losses due to the pandemic are hard to fathom.
लॉस में तो करोड़ों रुपयों का लॉस है. अभी इंडस्ट्री पूरा बंद ही है, करोड़ों रुपयों का लॉस है.
Some textile factories in Trichy are trying to cope by making PPE kits and masks. But transport and raw material are hard to come by.
We are making masks and PPE kits. We are happy to provide these to doctors and nurses during this period. We are facing a lot of difficulties during this phase too. We are finding it difficult to get raw material and for transportation.
With shops shut, labourers away and orders drying up, can India's textile industry weave a comeback story anytime soon? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.